Welcome to Cocoa Beach, Florida, a place known as a true surfer's paradise. In this charming coastal town on the Atlantic Ocean, surfers from around the world find perfect conditions for their adventures on the waves. One of the most remarkable figures hailing from Cocoa Beach is the legendary surfer, Kelly Slater. With a total of 11 world championships, he has made the city renowned worldwide and is a true surfing icon. But Cocoa Beach offers more than just world-class surfing. The beaches here are stunning and invite relaxation and enjoyment. Cocoa Beach itself stretches for miles along the coast, offering sand and sun in abundance. Near the Kennedy Space Center, you'll find Cape Canaveral Beach, which not only provides great beach experiences, but also offers a view of thrilling rocket launches. Jetty Park Beach is a popular spot for fishing, picnicking, and relaxation, while Laurie Wilson Park Beach is known for its natural beauty and bird watching. Apart from surfing and the beaches, there are many other activities in Cocoa Beach. The Kennedy Space Center is a must-visit for space enthusiasts, and the annual Ron John Surf Festival attracts surfers from around the world. Ron John Surf Shop, one of the world's largest surf shops, is based here, offering everything you need for your surfing adventure. Cocoa Beach is undoubtedly a place that delights both surfers and beach lovers alike. With its rich surfing history, stunning beaches, and numerous activities, it's an absolute must on your travel map when visiting Florida. Cocoa Beach isn't just a surfer's haven, it's also a shopper's delight, offering a wide array of shopping experiences to cater to diverse tastes. Whether you're in pursuit of unique souvenirs, trendy fashion, or surf gear, Cocoa Beach has it all. Ron John Surf Shop. We've already mentioned this iconic surf shop, but it's worth highlighting again. Ron John Surf Shop is a mecca for surf enthusiasts, offering an extensive selection of surfboards, clothing, accessories, and beach gear. A must-visit for surfers and those seeking stylish beachwear. Cocoa Beach Surf Company. Another fantastic spot for surfers and beachgoers, Cocoa Beach Surf Company provides a wide range of surf equipment and apparel. You can also find beach accessories and casual wear, making it a perfect place to gear up for a day by the ocean. Cocoa, Florida, where roads and bridges connect paradise. Cocoa, Florida, is a picturesque coastal city nestled along the Space Coast. While known for its stunning beaches, vibrant surf culture, and space exploration history, the city's roadways and bridges are equally fascinating. In this exploration, we'll delve into the road networks and bridges that connect the charming islands and communities within Cocoa, Florida. A city of islands. Cocoa, Florida, is unique in that it's not just one continuous landmass. It's a collection of islands and interconnected land areas. These islands are connected by a network of roads and bridges that provide not only essential transportation links, but also breathtaking views and a sense of unity among the communities. Cocoa Beach Causeway. One of the most iconic bridges in Cocoa is the Cocoa Beach Causeway. This bridge connects the mainland to Cocoa Beach, a popular destination for both residents and tourists. Stretching over the beautiful Banana River, the Cocoa Beach Causeway provides not only a vital transportation route, but also an opportunity to take in stunning views of the river, mangroves, and surrounding wildlife. Hubert H. Humphrey Bridge. Another noteworthy bridge is the Hubert H. Humphrey Bridge, which connects Cocoa to Merritt Island. This bridge spans the Indian River, offering breathtaking vistas of the waterway. It serves as a critical link for commuters and residents of Merritt Island, facilitating easy access to Cocoa's amenities. Astronaut Memorial Bridge. The Astronaut Memorial Bridge, also known as the NASA Causeway, plays a significant role in connecting Cocoa to the John F. Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. It stands as a symbol of space exploration, with its location providing unobstructed views of rocket launches from both NASA and private space companies. Witnessing a rocket launch from this bridge is an awe-inspiring experience. 520 and 528 highways. The 520 and 528 highways are key roadways in Cocoa, Florida, offering access to various parts of the city and nearby attractions. These roads are essential for both local traffic and tourists, serving as gateways to the beaches, the Kennedy Space Center, and the Orlando area. Exploring the islands, Cocoa's islands are each unique and offer their own character and charm. Here are some of the islands connected by these roadways and bridges. Merritt Island. Merritt Island, connected by the Hubert H. Humphrey Bridge, is RR. And now, dear viewers, I won't say much more. Just sit back and enjoy the visual journey through the stunning roads and bridges of Cocoa, Florida. This place is truly a gem on the Florida coast, where beauty, history, and innovation blend in a unique way. Let yourself be enchanted by the picturesque views of the water and nature. Feel the breeze on the bridges and streets, and immerse yourself in the fascinating world of Cocoa, Florida. Here, where paradise awaits, there is still so much to discover. Enjoy the video and the beautiful places that Cocoa, Florida has to offer. Ooh, before we conclude, please take a moment to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated on more captivating content from this remarkable corner of the world.